What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. In one of my previous videos, I discussed about the battery performance results of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This watch did perform fairly well. If you have missed that video, you can go ahead and check out the channel. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the real life battery test results of the Galaxy Watch 7 regular that we have here. Now let me keep the Galaxy Watch Ultra aside. Now the Galaxy Watch 7 I have got here is 44mm size, and this is a Bluetooth variant, not an LTE variant, so keep that in mind. Now I have tested the watch in two different settings. One is in the normal mode without turning on the power saving mode, and the second one is power saving mode turned on. Now during this test, I was wearing the watch throughout the day. I did not take it off any time during the day. Now anyways, let's go ahead with the first settings. The first setting is without power saving mode being turned on. The Wi-Fi was on, raise to wake was on, brightness was set to auto, and this information dashboard watch face is what I used. Sleep tracking was on because I was wearing the watch in the night. All the health centric features were set to manual, and the AOD was turned off during this test. Now with this setting, let me show you the battery performance that we have got. You see, we have got 1 day 19 hours of battery with 2% left, and I would say this is a pretty decent battery life we have got with the Galaxy Watch 7 44mm version, the Bluetooth version that we have here. Now if this was an LTE variant, it would have got at least about 3 to 4 hours or 5 hours lesser battery life. So that could be somewhere around 1 day 10 to 14 hours of battery performance or battery life you would have got on the LTE variant. Now since this was a Bluetooth variant, I was able to get about 4 to 5 hours of additional battery because there is no cellular network on the watch. Now I have used the Samsung Health application for exercising for about 1 to 1.5 hours. You can see the usage of Samsung Health is about 13.3%. Ultra Info Board watch face consumed 5.2%, One UI Watch Home 3.2%, Google Play Store 2.5%. For some reason this consumes some amount of battery because it may be running in the background. Then Alarm, Bixby Voice, customization service, always on display for some time probably I would have used just to test it. Then YouTube Music, Reminder, Weather, Recent Applications, Calendar. So all these applications were used, and during this test I've got 1 day 19 hours of battery life. And one more thing I want to mention is, since I did not use the always on display, I was able to get this kind of battery performance. If I use the always on display, then probably another 3 to 4 hours of battery life will go down. So I may get about 1 day 12 to 14 hours of battery with the AOD turned on, or maybe even lesser than that. So keep in mind, no LTE, no always on display, 1 day 19 hours of battery life we have got. Now this is something similar to what we got on the Galaxy Watch Ultra as well. The Ultra is the LTE variant, and even then we got similar battery performance on that watch. Even though Ultra has a bigger battery, it has got similar battery performance because it's an LTE variant that we have. Now let's go ahead, let's move on to the second test results. That is on power saving mode being turned on. Now you see, when we turn on the power saving mode, we have got some additional settings. Let me show you that. Let's go to battery settings here. Now when we turn on the power saving mode, you see here it turns off wake up gesture, always on display, Wi-Fi, it limits CPU performance, background network usage, location and syncing, and it decreases brightness, screen timeout. Now with this setting, we also have an additional option here called limit health features. Now if you turn this feature on, it will restrict all the health-centric measurements. You see, it says when power saving is on, the feature below are turned off to save even more battery. Workout auto detection, high and low heart rate alert, background heart rate, HRV, stress, skin temperature, and blood oxygen measurements will be turned off if you turn this toggle on. So what I did was, I did not turn this toggle on. I kept this off so that I get to read all the measurement, the health-centric measurement. The sleep tracking was on, and I did exercise for more than 1.5 hours wearing the watch. The entire night I was tracking sleep as well. So let's see, with power saving mode turned on and without limiting the health features, what kind of battery performance we have got. You see, I have got 2 days 12 hours used with about 8% available, which can take the watch for another couple of hours. So we have got about 2 days 15 to 16 hours of battery performance while the power saving mode is turned on with all the health centric features running in the background. Now this is just fantastic. I'm really happy to see this kind of a battery performance on this brand new watch. It can give you up to 3 days with power saving mode turned on and by turning off the health centric features. Now, keeping all the health centric features running, we have got 2.5 days, more than 2.5 days of battery life, which is just insane. So turning on the power saving mode is the best thing that you can do. By keeping all the health centric features running in the background, you get all your measurements that you need. You get to see the time, you get to see the notifications, you get to see everything that you want, and the watch will not lag as well compared to the Galaxy Watch 6 or 5 series. When you turn on the power saving mode on the predecessor watches, the watch lags a bit, but the Galaxy Watch 7 series do not lag even on the power saving mode, which is just amazing. So you can get at least about 2.5 to 3 days of battery performance with power saving mode turned on. That's an amazing battery performance we have got on the Galaxy Watch 7 here. Now you guys let me know what kind of battery life that you're getting on your Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Watch Ultra, or any other Galaxy watches that you own. Drop a comment and let me know. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this video useful. And if you're interested in this wallpaper, this home screen wallpaper you're seeing, I have left a link for that in the description. You can go ahead and download the wallpaper. Every video I post will have a brand new wallpaper. So go ahead and check out all my previous videos and download these wallpapers. That's about it. I will be coming up with another video comparing the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Watch Ultra. So stay tuned for that video and be sure to subscribe to the channel. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.